What is going on? This is Altone, and this is the Holystone 280 155 gram drone for beginners. So first, I'd like to thank Holystone for sending this out to me for me to try out. It's been an absolute blast. So the Holystone HS280 is a 155 gram drone for beginners, which means it does not need to be registered for recreational flight in the US. What comes in the box with this awesome little drone is the Holystone HS280, the transmitter, 2 drone batteries, a full set of replacement props, 4 screws to attach those replacement props, a USB charging cable, a screwdriver, and a user manual. So let me introduce you to the HS280. So up front, you have the camera, the front status LED. On the top, you have a power button, and in the back, the battery bay. And with the battery installed on the back, you have an additional status LED. And then you, of course, have your 4 arms with motors and props that are marked A and B based on the direction that the props are spinning. Then on the transmitter, you have a flip out phone holder, the power switch, a takeoff and landing button, a speed adjustment button, and this drone actually has 2 speeds, a headless mode button, left and right control sticks, and on the top you have your photo button and your video stop and start record button. Then you have your lens up and down buttons. And on the rear, you have your battery bay, which requires 4 AAA batteries that are not included. The app required to fly this little drone is the HSFPV V4 app, which is free on the App Store for Apple and Google Play. Now, on the specifications for this awesome little drone, you have the video resolution on the camera is HD 1920 by 1080, and the video resolution is 1920 by 1080 at 25 frames per second. This drone has 2 different speeds, emergency stop mode, a headless mode function, adjustable trim, waypoint flight, hand gesture, voice command, VR mode, 180-degree flight, and 13 minutes of flight time per battery. And the charge time on the batteries is about 70 minutes per battery. This is an awesome little drone, and again, at 155 grams is absolutely fantastic in that you do not need to register in the US if you're flying recreationally. The only thing that I would say to be concerned about with this drone being as light as it is that you want to fly in calmer weather. Just make sure you don't have a lot of wind when you take this guy out. So I truly hope this helped you in some way. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the Holystone HS280 with me. Take care, and I'll talk to you again in a future video.